In this lecture, you will learn what is a CDN and why it's needed. No matter what you do or what type of content you consume, chances are that you will find CDNs behind every character of text, every image pixel, and every movie frame that gets delivered to your PC and mobile browser. CDN is the answer to one of the mostly faced issue called latency. Latency is nothing but the delay that occurs from the moment you request to load a web page to the moment it actually starts to load on your screen. When you use a CDN, your static content is cached and stored on multiple CDN servers across the world. Static content includes images, CSS files, JavaScripts, etc. Now, when a user visits your site, which is hosted on your main server, the CDN technology redirects them to the closest CDN server near their location. Since the delay duration is impacted mostly by the physical distance between the user and that website's hosting server, CDNs reduce the distance by redirecting them to the closest CDN server. In addition to reducing the delay time, a modern CDN can take care of several other things, such as it can improve page load speed, handle sudden high traffic loads, block spammers and other bad bots, reduce your server's bandwidth consumption, protect your website from DDoS attacks, and much more. There are many premium CDN services out there. The best ones among them are KCDN, MaxCDN, Google CDN, Amazon AWS, Rackspace, etc. But there are a few free CDNs are also available with limited features. We are going to use two free CDNs. Whether you are going to follow PageSpeed Technique 1 or PageSpeed Technique 2, you need to implement CDN in your website. We are going to implement a free image CDN and a free CDN for the rest of the static files. Before that, we need to compress the images that are hosted in our server. Let's see how to compress images using free plugins in the next lecture.